In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically give a role in Discord. If you want new members in your Discord server to automatically receive a role as soon as they join, this setup is a simple way to do it. We'll first create the role inside Discord, then connect a bot that can assign that role automatically, and finally test everything to make sure it works properly. To begin, open the Discord app and go to the server where you want to set this up. Once you're inside the correct server, click on the server name at the top. This opens the server menu. From there, click on Server Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Roles. Now, create a new role by clicking Create Role. When the role opens, type in the role name you want to use. After naming it, go to the Permissions section and enable View Channels. This is important because it allows members with that role to actually see the server channels they should have access to. Once that's done, click Save Changes. With the role created, the next part is connecting the bot that will handle the automatic assignment. Open your browser and go to the Carlbot website. On the site, click Add to Discord. You'll be asked to choose the server where you want to add the bot, so select the same server you were just editing. Then click Authorize to complete the bot invitation process. Depending on your setup, you may need to confirm permissions before continuing. After the bot has been added, go back to Discord and open your server again. Click the server name, then go back into Server Settings and open Roles once more. Here, you need to make sure Carlbot is placed above the role it will be assigning. To do that, move Carlbot toward the top of the role list. This step matters because Discord only allows a bot to manage roles that are below its own role in the hierarchy. If the bot is too low, the auto role feature won't work. Once Carlbot is in the correct position, click on Permissions and then click Edit on Carlbot. Enable the Manage Roles permission, then save your changes. This gives the bot the ability to assign roles automatically, which is necessary for the next step. Without this permission, Carlbot may be in your server, but it won't actually be able to give anyone the role you created. Now, go back to the Carlbot website, find the Moderation section, and then click on Auto Roles. In this area, you'll see the Auto Role setting. Click on the Auto Role option to open the drop-down menu. From that list, select the role you created earlier, and then click Save. At this point, the automatic role setup should be complete. The bot now knows which role to assign, and Discord has the correct permissions in place for it to do that successfully. The final step is to go back to Discord and try it. The easiest way to test this is by having a new account join the server, or by using any method you normally use to confirm join settings. If everything is configured correctly, the new member should automatically receive the role you selected. If it doesn't work right away, the most common issue is role hierarchy, so double check that Carlbot is still above the created role in the roles list. Also, make sure the bot has Manage Roles enabled and that the auto role was saved correctly on the website. Those small details are usually what make the difference. And that's it. You've now set up your Discord server to automatically give a role to new members using Carlbot. This is a useful feature for organizing access, welcoming members, and making your server easier to manage from the moment someone joins.